These are my audience members. Do you ever turn on a movie to watch and get all cozy with your dog and then they yawn? This yawn seems to release the worst smell that your nose has ever smelled. And immediately you go to push your dog away and then they give you the puppy eyes. Well, now you feel like the worst dog parent ever. I have a solution to this problem for any dog out there with smelly breath. Pet Lab Dental Solution is a flavorless water additive that promotes teeth and gum health, and it is the perfect product to use in order to stop the pushing your dog away and making them sad. I have a pit bull named Irie who suffered from really terrible smelling breath. We had tried brushing her teeth and she didn't like it, so we have found Pet Lab's water additive dental solution and it's worked wonders for us. However, this solution isn't just about the breath smelling clean, but there's actually health benefits to this product as well. Not only does our dog's breath irritate us, but it irritates them as well, and it can be painful for them. American's Veterinary Dental Society found that nearly 80% of dogs show oral disease at just 3 years old. In order to understand the risks of dental disease, you're going to need a bit better understanding on what exactly this is. The tissue surrounding a dog's teeth is called the periodontium, and it is made up of 4 different tissues: the gingiva, the cementum, the alveolar bone, and the periodontal ligament. Oral disease begins at the gingiva, and if it is left untreated, it then spreads deeper into the alveolar bone, destroying it completely. So you may be wondering, how serious can oral disease be for a dog? Well, once a dog develops oral disease, it can oftentimes be missed and then will lead to becoming worse over time. Down the road, it could even lead to your dog's teeth falling out. With tooth loss, they'll no longer be able to play like a normal dog with balls and toys, and they won't even be able to eat normal dog food. Another side effect to oral disease in dogs is the pain and discomfort that comes with it. No one wants their fur baby to constantly be in pain every day. Your dog is your baby, and with that, you want them to be happy. And in order to be happy, they need to be pain-free. Now I'll move on to what causes our dogs to get this oral disease. Along with our own mouths, dogs' mouths contain thousands of bacteria. This bacterium spreads across the tooth, which then forms something that we all know as plaque. Not only does a thin layer of plaque form, but the bacteria creates a biofilm. A biofilm is a group of bacteria structured in a way that is hard to remove. And with time, if the natural chewing and drinking does not remove the plaque, it becomes tartar. Tartar is a material that attracts more and more plaque to build up, and then this is when the tartar and plaque come into contact with the gingiva. Not only does bacteria cause oral disease, but a poor diet can too. An organization called the VOHC was established to recognize and evaluate products developed to interrupt the plaque accumulation. Something that they look for is bigger kibble size so that the dogs are actually able to chew the food rather than just swallow it. Chewing the food will break away the plaque on their teeth. Lastly, of course, poor oral hygiene is caused by not taking the time to help your dog with the removal of this plaque. This can be done with toothbrushes or even going to the dentist or going to the vet and having a really big bill to pay. But ultimately, the water additive dental solution from Pet Lab is the way to go. Lastly, let's get into how this product really works and why it should be a good fit for you and your dog. When using this product, the best part about it is that it is taste and odor free. So before any dog owners with picky puppies think that this product won't work, it will. My dog Irie is very picky, and when it comes to what she eats, she's not really a fan of different tastes. When this solution is in her water, it doesn't even faze her, and she drinks it like any normal water. Along with these perfect qualities, it's super easy to use. All you do is add a teaspoon of the Pet Lab dental formula to your dog's water every day, and then voila, your work is done. Lastly, we all know that money can get a little tight. It's always the worst feeling when you want to do something nice for your fur baby just to find out it's too expensive. However, with Pet Lab dental formula, this is not the case. The products can be found on websites for as low as $35, and you may start to think that the cost is going to add up after buying it for a while, but since you're only using a teaspoon, the 8-ounce bottle will last you about a month and a half. After hearing these perfect qualities, it is clear that you should be purchasing soon. Pet Lab Dental Solution is not only perfect for your dog, easy to access, but it's affordable too. Your dog will thank you for putting in the time to purchase this product. Pet Lab Dental Solution is ready to keep your dog's mouth healthy and clean to combat your dog's bad breath in no time. So before you think about pushing your dog away because of that foul smell, consider buying this product for only $35. And then these are my audience members.